Hey Mike, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick video over to you outlining how you could generate more clients for your law office. So a couple things. You did mention that you were doing some advertising or had some people doing some stuff for you. So we're going to kind of look at and see what they've been doing for you guys exactly. We're going to look at what some potential keywords could do for your guys' business as far as search volumes and what could bring those in. And then we're going to look at what the competition is for those search terms and what you guys have to do to pass them up. So first thing, looking at your guys' website, it looks really nice, well-built site. I don't really have too much to say structurally as far as what's going on with your site. It looks great. My one recommendation, so there's over 200 different factors that Google looks at for determining which site claims that top spot. And one of the biggest ones we can influence is content, and that's the amount of words you have on this homepage. Ideally, you really want to shoot for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage, and even more sometimes depending on what your competition has, because we really want to beat our competition out in every way possible. So we'll look at what the competition has here, but currently you guys are sitting at about 1,300 words. So I definitely recommend increasing that a little bit. And then once you see what the competition has, you'll actually see that you want to increase that, actually quite a bit more than that even. But overall, really like you guys' site. Not too many critiques on it. Really like the videos you guys have on here. Looks really nice. So looking at keywords for your guys' business, Orange County lawyers is currently getting 300 searches per month. That's a pretty broad term. Accident attorney, Orange County, is getting 200 searches per month. And this also shows the cost per click. So you're $12 for Orange County lawyers and $155 for accident attorney Orange County, which I actually found you guys looking at Google ads. I didn't click on your ad, I promise. I didn't want to cost anybody money, but I actually did see that you guys were running ads, and that was originally how I found your business. But definitely a lot of potential there. So having your business in the top spot for these search terms, you can count on getting about 33% of that search traffic headed towards your business. So a lot of potential new cases, new clients headed your guys' way if you were to move your website up in the rankings. And we'll outline how you guys can do that today. So looking at accident attorney Orange County, there's a couple different things we're looking at here. So obviously you have the Google My Business or 3-pack. Everybody knows how to use Google, but I'd like to give you a quick rundown. So first off, this is great territory for your business to be in, having your business in this 3-pack. There's a couple different factors for how you get your business into this, and the first one is what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. You can find these from like directory sites, like even Facebook counts as one, Yellow Book, anywhere you can list all that information counts as a directory site or a citation. And the more citations you have, the better your odds are of being in this 3-pack. We actually have tools that we can look at and see exactly how many citations you guys have compared to your competition. So you guys are currently sitting at 19 sources, and we can look and see those exact ones you have. Bisner Chase, personal injury attorneys, they're that top ranked one there. So they're currently sitting at 81. And what's cool about this is I'd mentioned you can see the sources. So we can actually go through here and copycat the exact citations that your competition has here. And then we can also do more because, again, we want to beat our competition out in every way possible. So for them to have 81, you guys would want to do 100 or 120 because you guys really just want to blow them out of the water. It's nice because we can go through and submit to those exact same ones. So another big factor for how you can get your business into this is where your business sits organically. So where your business sits here in these search results plays a big part if you're going to be in this top 3. So organically, we're going to be comparing your site to DKB lawyers. So we'll be comparing it to them and what we have to do to pass them up in the search results. So looking at your guys' site first, we looked at the front end. Now we're going to look at the back end of your guys' site. So what we're looking at here is what's known as backlinks. And the whole internet is built on backlinks. It's one website linking itself to another website, one business linking itself to another business. So for you guys, you really want to be targeting backlinks that are niche relevant. So, other law practices across the country. So if you guys were to get a backlink from, a law practice, say out of Oregon, where I'm based out of, it's going to carry a lot more weight and move you guys up in the rankings a lot faster than if you guys were to get, a backlink to your local Pizza Hut because you guys aren't slinging pizzas. So that niche relevancy is really what's going to help you guys out the most. So for you guys currently, 432 backlinks from 7 referring domains. So that's 7 different websites you have backlinks you're getting from right now. So definitely, you guys have done some work on this, but there's definitely some room for improvement. It's not a lot here for SEO that I can see. You guys are currently getting 8 people a month to your site. So, there's definitely the possibility or the ability for you guys to generate a lot of traffic compared to your competition, and get a lot of new cases coming in by just optimizing out your site and really focusing on the SEO. So looking at your competition, looking at their site, this is their site. They do have a lot of content on here. They're about 2,500 words of content. So I'd kind of mentioned earlier, usually we shoot for that 1,500 to 2,000 words. So for this, I would go, 3,000 words of content for your guys' site. Really establish your guys' selves as, the resident authority on, everything related to law in Orange County. And Google will see that, and you guys will be rewarded for that by moving up in the search results. With that content, you definitely want to make sure you have those search terms you want to be found for in there as well. And I just showed you 2 of them. There's obviously a lot more search terms out there that, could generate a lot of traffic for you guys. So looking at the back end of their site, they currently have 3,000 backlinks from 250 referring domains. But they're also getting, 2.2 thousand, so 2,200 people a month headed to their website. So there's a lot of traffic out there for people looking for services that you guys are offering, and a lot of ability for you guys to really blow up your practice and get a lot of new clients coming in. So again, just to kind of sum up everything. So first off, content, really want to blow your competitors out of the water. So I'd recommend 3,000 words of content on this homepage, making sure you're targeting the correct key terms. And if you guys want more information on key terms, I could definitely get you a list of all the key terms you guys should really be going after and what that would look like competition-wise for each of those. And then obviously citations. So getting your business into this 3-pack is going to be huge, because what's better than one piece of real estate on the homepage, two places. So having your business here and here is really just going to give you that much more opportunity for people to be clicking on your guys' website and using your practice or your office for their next personal injury case. And then the last thing is going to be backlinks. So making sure you're getting those niche relevant backlinks that are related to the services you guys are wanting to offer, related to law practice, and you guys will be well on your way to generating a lot of new traffic. If you have any questions on this, I'd love to set up a phone call. You can reach me at 541-968-7159. And again, my name was Larry Powell. I hope you got something out of this video. Appreciate it very much. Thank you.